Hey guys, welcome back to That Kiwi Farm Kid. I'm Oliver, and in this video we're going to be taking apart this 17-year-old TV. That's crazy, that's 17 years old. Well, let's get going. Okay. You're taking apart the big screws. I'm going to get my screwdriver and start doing it.
Oh, these bolts up here.
Look at this piece. Oh, go in.
I'll start taking apart these little. Oh, I got a screw out. Yeah, I got two out. What is this flat here? Oh, no.
Okay, I'm just gonna go put it down over here to get the work done
Now
faster.
should take off a. No, not yet. We have to. It's gonna take like an hour.
There's this big chunk of metal on the back.
Oh, this one's dirt.
There's all the technology inside.
We have a space. No iron. No iron.
I've pulled off all of these and I'm taking out these screws so I could take this out. See if I could do it. We've done that, some screwing and stuff, and we've got some bows off.
I dipped it first. No, I dipped this first.
Yeah. And then I'm
See, look, I
sort
just
of saying, look at the inside.
this thing
This-
comes off now.
Thing propels the light.
This thing came
See
off.
what you see on the TV. We're getting real far through the TV. We got the that off. That. Look at this thing. That thing's massive.
Stay.
Look at my foot compared to it. Crazy big. Well, we demolished the TV. Here we've got the front piece of glass. And then here we've got the projector.
Oh, Dad, what happened?
Then we got the back piece and all the products on the inside and the frame. Pretty crazy amount of stuff. These are all the screws we managed to take out to take it apart.
That's not that much for TV.
Your dad said take whatever you want and then everything else goes into the dump.
Oh, whatever.
Yeah.
Okay, taking those two. Taking this. I'm taking this. And I'm taking that.
Okay. We've finished taking everything apart, so I guess this will be the end of this video. I'll see you out there.